Hi everyone, here we will show how to regenerate and activate X431 Pro Mini. Open the application X431 Pro Mini, then click Login. We can register new account. Create a new ID with password, email, country info. Then activate the device with unique serial number and activation code. After registration, we can update the car software. Pro Mini supports more than 96 car brands from America, Europe, Asia, and China. It also supports other 11 special reset functions compared with other X431 devices.